Okay, let's move on where you have multiple variables. So let's do the first one, 3x plus 4y plus 5y plus 5x. So if you have this, you look at what variables do you have. In this case, we have a x, it's going to underline it, and we have another x, and then we have a y as well. But if you have two x's, like we did the first sum, we said 3x plus 5x. So we did this in the first one, 3x plus 5x, and you'll get 8x. So we're going to do exactly the same. We're going to say 3x plus 5x because that's the two we can group together. So for now, you can maybe just say keep 3x plus 5x together, and then maybe you keep the 4y together. Now you do 3x plus 5x, and if you look at the previous sum that we did, we got 8x, but there's no other y, it's only the 4y that we have. Because if you look here on top, we have an x and an x, but we only have this one y, so we leave it as is plus 4y, but the 3x plus 5x, that's how you got to the 8x. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's do number 2. So if we have 2a, write it in black, we have 2a plus 3b minus a. Again, look at the like variables. Let's just highlight it. So we have a a over here, we have another a, and we have a b. So if you do the sum, you're first going to say 2a minus a, and then you're going to also add the 3b. And if you do this, you're going to have 2a minus a, which is 1a, but you don't need to write the 1. So you can leave the 1 out. You can leave the 1 out and just write a, but don't forget you also have the 3b. So important thing here that I want to show you is if you have a sum like this, look first at the like variables that you have. In this case, we have the x's, in this case, the a's, and that is what we work with. Let's just do maybe a last one in this section, where maybe just going to put a minus in front, because usually the minus is very difficult for the student. So let's say minus 5a minus 3b plus 4a. Again, let's group it first together. There you see a a, there you see a a, and there you see a b. Now let's group the a's together. Minus 5a plus 4a. Then we group the b's together. Minus 3b. So now you do the sum as normal. Minus 5a plus 4a, you'll get minus a. And again, I just want to show you the a's we group together. And on a calculator, you'll say minus 5 plus 4. So minus 5 plus 4. If you do that on a calculator, you will get minus 1. So you can say minus 1, or you can just leave out the 1 and just say minus a. And that's how we got to this minus a over here. But don't forget, we still have the 3b. So the minus 5a plus 4a, that gives you the minus a. But we also have this minus 3b over here. But there's no other like terms like another b, so we just leave it as that. Thank you.